Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got these in today. Want to just do a quick unboxing for you guys. I ordered it last week when it came out and they shipped it I think 2 days ago and it arrived today. Got the ones in white and I also picked up the audio cable. Now these things, yeah, they actually cost like $35 and I think if you want wired connection, you need that for now. I think Apple's the only company that makes it. And yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna open it up right here. Now they come in different colors: blue, pink, green, and this silver white one. Open it up for you guys. Okay. Box is pretty heavy and wow. Entire thing comes out of the box just like that. This is the carrying case. This rubberized texture. It's a plastic here, I'll take it off first. But yeah, it's rubberized. And then you take out the headphones like this. Very minimalistic, I think I would say, design. Put it over my ears, let me see. So it does have left, right. Have to adjust the size in here. Very solid steel construction right here. Well, when I put this on, I really can't hear anything. So you know the sound noise cancellation is there. The rest of the material in the box is just the instructions, I believe, and there's a cable in here as well. Set that aside for now. Here's the side view. Yeah, it's really, I would say, first impressions, very comfortable, solid built, like all Apple products. Noise cancelling is really good on this. Like when I put it on, I really can't hear anything. And you have to press this button to turn it on and off. Yeah, it's an over the ear design, so it really keeps out all the noises. And the other button that this has is a dial, just like the watch. That'll control your audio, volume, Siri, I guess, skip, pause, play, yeah. Okay, and then the only output this has, I believe, is this jack in the bottom. You see that you plug in either to recharge or use this bi-directional lightning cable to 3.5mm audio jack. I'm gonna give these guys a try. I'm gonna mainly use it with my PC. I don't think I'm gonna wear it for sports or anything. It's just very, I think, just my first impressions is like the quality that you would expect from an Apple product is just very like minimalistic design, but it just works, I think. Yeah, I don't use ear headphones that much. I usually use ear like earplugs, but this one, I believe the quality on this, the soundproof quality, yeah, is really good. Is much better than, definitely much better than the tiny AirPods I have. So, hey, that's it. That's my quick unboxing and initial impression of the AirPod Max right here. I'm gonna put it back into the little case for you guys to see. I believe you just have to fold it like this and then put it in. And then like this, looks like a purse. Here's the back again. I'm not sure what this is for. But yeah, it has a little magnetic tab right there that locks down. Alright guys, I'm gonna play with this a little bit more and give you my final thoughts on the description below. But yeah, again, just the Apple product is, you're gonna pay whatever they charge, and I think quality is there. I don't see any big negatives with it except the pricing, but I have more expensive headphones that I don't even use, and yeah, this is basically wireless and you can have, again, wire connection. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.